Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another on location setup. If you want to see this setup right away, fast forward to this number. But if you want to hang out with me for a bit, just keep watching. Good morning. Look at this one. This is what she does. She lays on here so I can rub on her. Yeah. Oh, never mind then. So, some of my props didn't come as scheduled, so I decided to, again, tape another of my on location videos. This one you're gonna love. I am in love with the color palette. So in this video, you're gonna see how I make a balloon garland with double stuffed balloons, which is a little harder, not much, but you know, your fingers are gonna hurt because double stuffed balloons make balloons tighter and a little harder to, you know, tie them together. And I'm also going to show you how to hang floral arrangements on a backdrop, and I'm going to show you just my centerpieces, which are going to look very cute on their table. All right, let's hang out. Today's setup is for an afternoon event, which means that I have time to open some boxes, clean up a little, take care of the cats, and make sure that my daughter has food to eat while I'm gone. And then I can probably get some editing done. I need to edit my Mother's Day pictures, which you guys are welcome to see on my Instagram and Facebook today. It's finally here and it's small. Of course it's small. But I'll make it work. You see what I mean. Next week. Okay, so all of this is for next week's event. I'm still waiting for a few things. So yeah, it'll be ready next week. You guys are gonna love it. Today is a cloudy day, but the trees need the rain, so I'm not mad at it. A lot of people get upset when it rains. I don't. I like the chill mood. You want a box, Kenzie? Look, I got a box for you. You haven't had a box in a while. Look, I got a box. Look. She just wants to go outside. That's all she does now. I don't know what she's been doing that lately. I do take them outside for, you know, a few minutes so they can get some fresh air. Go ahead, go play with the box. But now she just wants to be outside. All right, slippers on. Time to sweep. I am not doing a deep cleaning, so don't judge. Yes, I'm going around the rug. This is just a quick, let me leave the house decent kind of thing. Can you? You're not outside. Anyway, let me get you a little closer. I need a camera person. When I was a TV producer, we had cameraman, associate producer, production assistant, we had interns, we had all these things, editors, field producers. I mean, all these things that your girl is to this production. Directors. And I'm in awe sometimes of all the things that I do. Especially editing. I used to hate editing when I was in college. It was so intimidating to me, kind of like the Cricut machine was to me when I started doing vinyl and events and stuff. Kenzie, stop it. Yeah, and now I love it. I love editing. I like everything about this process. It's just exhausting a little bit, but I'm not gonna complain. I love every part of it. I know what stage I'm in my development here with my channel and social media in general. I know where I'm at, and I know that I'm in my sewing season. So I just gotta put my head down and just keep doing it, and eventually things will work out. And let's open the windows here. And then I got 2 hours, perfect. Let me cover my feet. Let me cover my bunions. Okay, so it's Mother's Day tomorrow, so I'm editing my Mother's Day pictures, and I'm also editing this video. So yeah, so make sure to check out my Instagram and my Facebook so you can see these pictures. Okay, at the Tyra Perez Project on Instagram and Tyra Perez on Facebook. Yeah, so go check it out. So now I'm gonna just click off of this because it's gonna be boring you guys see me doing this. I'll see you guys on location. On my way to pick up the truck. Well, I gotta pick up Jasmine first, and then I'm gonna pick up the truck, get some coffee, and load, then get to the venue. And it's drizzling right now, so I don't know. Lately, every time I go to work, it's raining. Is that a sign? It's not. It's just the time of the year. And there she is. Good morning. Good morning. ¿Cómo estás? We are here and the venue is on a second floor. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Okay guys, so this is not going to be a detailed tutorial because I am on location and I only have 2 hours to get this up, but I do go through some of these steps. I'm working on making something more detailed for you, but for now the video that I made prior to this one has a little more detail than this one, and I'm going to link it right above right now. You see it right there? Okay, there it is, but watch it right after this video. All right, Jasmine is going to start on the centerpieces. I already made them at home. What she has to do is put the Pampas on them. So ponle una aquí y otra así, porque si así se va a ver una para frente y una para el lado. Alright, so she's gonna do that on all these tables over here. Since I only have one camera, we're gonna focus on the balloons and I'll show you the final a little later. The colors here are double stuffed tan. So this is Cocoa inside of blush. Calisan blush is darker than Tough Tech blush, and I like the way it turns out better. And then we have sand, and we have and sugar. It's like a pearl white. I'm gonna extend this base a little more. This has to touch all the way on the ground. Oh my gosh, all the love in the air and the beautiful flowers and all the setting is making me want to have a wedding all over again. And since I won't do it for myself, I'm trying to encourage Jasmine to get married to her partner. And she's like, yeah, no. Vamos, mira todo lo que vas a tener gratis. Mira, te va a salir bien barato tu boda si te lo haces ahorita. Además, dile a Víctor que dijo eso. Now I'm gonna work on detail. And my deodorant is wearing out. I don't know what's going on with my deodorants nowadays. Tie it to the middle. Well, I don't really tie it. I just bring it around the middle and tie it to the middle of this one. And here's how these centerpieces are going. But I'll make my final touches before we leave. Now I'm gonna do some bulking. Now we are adding our 6s, which usually go after the 24 inches, but we are pressed for time, so we're kind of doing it simultaneously. So our 6s are not really 6s. They are 3-inch quads on top of 5-inch quads, and they are used for dimension. We are also using gold highlights for a pop of color, which is going to make the garland look even better. We are now hanging the floral arrangements with hooks and fishing line. Now we're gonna work on the final touches, the vinyl, more florals on the balloons, even more floral arrangements, a love seat, and that's pretty much it, guys. I love this install. Unfortunately, you cannot appreciate the balloons under the arch because of the lighting and the color of the balloons, the pearl balloon, but in person, this garland is absolutely stunning. All right, guys, make sure to like this video, comment, and share with your friends and family members. Until next time, bye. See you in the next video.